Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the Auto 10 kit and creating a safe workspace. First, disconnect the negative battery and wait about 30 seconds to clear capacitors. This prevents shocks and module damage. Once done, open the dash and locate the vehicle fuse box so you can identify the constant 12V and switched accessory circuits. Make sure you have the correct fuse map. This step matters because using the wrong circuit can cause unexpected power drains or malfunction. Now you connect power and data. Insert the fuse taps into the selected constant and accessory fuses and attach the Auto 10 harness leads. Crimp or solder joints and insulate with heat shrink. Next, attach the ground lead to a clean, bare metal chassis point within a few inches of the module for reliable grounding. Route the data and antenna wiring along factory harness paths, avoiding sharp edges, moving parts, and heat. Doing this reduces noise and prevents future chafing or failures. Finish by mounting the Auto 10 module in a ventilated, secure spot using screws or adhesive pad. You want good airflow and no vibration. Then reconnect the negative battery and perform a power-on test. Check LED indicators, cycle the ignition, and exercise any remote or telemetry features to ensure proper behavior. If something fails, first recheck fuse tap connections and ground continuity. A loose ground or swapped constant/accessory wires is the most common issue, and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.